This video will introduce you to the core concept and basic usage of REC. The client is an important struct used to create requests, then send the request, and server returns response. Let's just get started. Initialize the project with Go modules and dependencies with GoGet. Create a main.go and import REC to your code. Write a main function. Create a client. Use the client to create a request. Then send the request. Let's receive the response. If an error occurs, we simply panic. If not, print the response body. Run our program. You can see that this is the response body in JSON format. Let's simplify the code. Since we don't care about errors, send request using method prefixed with must, so that it will automatically panic when an error occurs, usually used in API testing scenarios. You can omit the stream method when you want to print the response body. Since the creation of client requests is frequently used, we can also use the shorthand method instead. We can use the chained method to set up the client. Call the client step mode so we can see the request details. Run it again. We can see the row content of the request and response. Let's customize the use agent for all requests. And set common header for all requests. We can override settings at request level. When testing, we can use the global wrapper methods. Just treat the package name as client or request. And we don't need to explicitly create a client or request, which uses default client behind.